Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best sewing machine that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Sewing Machine. We've written about how to fix common clothing problems at home, and elaborated on the satisfaction of giving monogrammed items, but here, we've rounded up the best sewing machines, as praised by the most enthusiastic reviewers on Amazon, to make all of your DIY projects that much easier. Since everyone is sheltering in place and taking up new hobbies during the pandemic. Number 5. Dualit Mini Sewing Machine. Support double needle sewing and dual threaded sewing. Built-in 10-level thread tension adjustment, automatic reverse sewing, automatic winding function, sewing lighting, thread cutter. Main features. Versatile use. Compact sewing machine. Multifunctional. Number 4. Kylanton Sewing Machine for Beginners Mini Sewing Machine. Our multifunction sewing machine with straight, blind, zigzag stitches. The unique design of foot pedal and the automatic low/high-speed sewing methods. Main features. Automatic winding. Lightweight mini size. Electric foot pedal. Number 3. Genome Arctic Crystal Easy-to-Use Sewing Machine. 15 built-in stitches, 4-step buttonhole, front-loading bobbin system, heavy-duty interior metal frame. Tutorial videos, built-in bobbin diagram. Main features. Adjustable stitch length. 3-piece feed dog system. 25-year limited. Number 2. Bossor Mini Sewing Machine. There is a threading guide on the body of the portable sewing machine to help you thread it easily. Small size, but does not affect the various needs of daily sewing. Main features. Made of high-quality materials. Easy to operate. Suitable for any fabric. Number 1. KPCB Mini Sewing Machine with upgraded eco-friendly material. Built-in winding pole and spool assist to rewind the bobbins when you turn on the machine, easy for bobbins replacement. More durable quality. Main features. Foot pedal operation. Automatic bobbin rewinding. Extension table. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.